When you think of the word waste, what comes to mind?
As you can see from the statistics, we are at a critical level of waste with 6.3 billion plastic waste being produced and 12 billion ending up in landfills and natural environment.
Of all the plastic that has ever been made, only 9% was recycled, 12% was incinerated, and 79% was discarded in landfills or natural environment. That's a lot of plastic. If we keep this up, the world will be choked to death by plastic. This needs to change. We present to you Recyeco, an interactive installation. It consists of two parts, a bin which will essentially act as a triggering mechanism for the sculpture, together with an hourglass sculpture that consists of polluted water which will be filtered and used for the plant. All you have to do is throw your recyclable products into the bin. That will trigger a sensor which will activate the solenoid valve to allow water through. However, it's only a drop per item, so you must keep at it whenever you have anything. For the installation to function, there is a circuit which runs by following our code. Basically, the process involves you to trigger the infrared sensor, which activates the Arduino code, sending a signal to the relay switch and allowing the solenoid to open its hatch. This only lasts for a few seconds until everything reverses and someone initiates the same cycle again. Using recycled scraps collected around our vicinity, it was rewarding for us to create the installation without having to purchase materials. The bin is solely made out of cardboard and magazines, whereas the sculpture is just mainly scrap wood and bottles. We applied a weaving and rolling method for the bin to give it a nice aesthetic and a smooth finish to sculpture for a polished look. Why do we make it? Well, it's to create an awareness that would inspire people to recycle. At the same time, we hope that our message can be realized through our visual representation. So keep recycling and do your part.